It's finally here. My goodness, this was so hard to find. The brand new Pokemon set 151. This is their new subset for the half year, I guess, holiday sets. So we just got it. This is the newest set from Japan. Let's hope for a God Pack is in this damn booster box. I've seen a lot of people pulling those. And this should not be hard reading names this time. It's not a brand new, set. It's based on the new based on the first generation Pokemon, which is what we all grew up with, as I said before. So I think the name should be pretty easy to recognize once you see the Pokemon. Alright, let's see. Hopefully the first pack, we get ourselves something nice. I never really had that much luck with Japanese series, so let's wish for the best. Besides Tag Team All-Stars, that was my favorite set ever in Japan. Alright, we're going straight to it. Don't know if there's a card trick or not. Here we go. First one is Ghastly. We got a Caterpie. We got a Fossil. Ooh, reverse Oddish with the Pokeballs. Nice. By the way, there is a reverse you want to keep your eye out on. Nice. We got ourselves our first evolution of Flareon holographic. So yeah, I was saying there's a Master Ball that you want to look at in the reverse lot. And there are some nice little reverses you want to get, like an Erica, Dragonair, Gengar, a bunch of other cards in reverse, which are beautiful looking. And yeah, that's a new thing right now. There's a Master Ball. Let's keep an eye out for that one. We got Rhyhorn, Goldeen, Poliwhirl. Ooh, well, I guess this is a Fossil Ember. Just love that reflection, I'm gonna lie. And Chansey, very nice. Holographic Chansey, and then we got Pidgeot, and I'm guessing this is a yellow belt. I don't know if you guys had a chance to open up these. I've been seeing a lot of people on Whatnot opening these packs, selling for crazy prices. Seen some decent ones, but $20, $15 a pack is not my thing. That was Dodio. This is Bellsprout, Abra. Very nice artwork on the Abra. Ooh, a reverse Chansey. Nice. And a Wigglytuff EX, our first pull of the video. Got a Pinsir, Tentacruel, and go on. Yeah, I was having a really hard time looking for good prices on these boxes. They were too much inflated in the beginning. If you were to order, oh, Pikachu. If you were to order from Pokemon Center in Japan, the retail price is $45, and yeah, these inflation. It's crazy. Reverse after. Oh, we got ourselves one of our main starters, Blastoise. Very nice. Hopefully we can get the alternate art. I think I really like the alternate art from the Blastoise. Oh, we got Lapras. Forgot about that guy. Lapras is one of my favorites from the Kanto region. Alright. Mankey, Venomont, Lickitung. Ooh, oh, we got the Master Ball. There you go. It's a Machamp. That is nice. Master Ball on the Machamp. Very nice. And we got a holographic Cubone. Marowak, actually. Sorry about that. And a half-eaten apple. Interesting. Alright, so I guess you get one Master Ball per box. So that was it. We got ourselves, it's a Machamp. Can't complain on that one. Growlithe, Magikarp, Meowth. You got a Doug Trio, reverse, and a Jolteon. Another evolution holographic. Very nice. Kabuto and a Dewang. I hope the light doesn't turn off on me here because I am on my last strip of battery. I hate opening up these Japanese packs. I don't know if there's a pattern of opening these. Charmander. Come on, Charmander. I need you to evolve. Eevee. Ooh, reverse Ghastly. Very nice. And, oh, we got our SR. This is our secret rare. It's a Kangaskhan. Not what we want to see, but I think you're guaranteed one secret rare in this box. Don't know if that's going to be true. Let's hope for, I guess, an SAR now. Don't know if that's guaranteed, but we'll see. Could still get a God Pack. Seeing those come in. I do need my trash can next to me. That is a nice artwork on Starmie. I like that. Diglett, Nidoran. Oh, We got a Machoke. Art rare. Very nice. Our first art rare. That is nice. You got Meowth everywhere right there. You have the Pidgeys in the tree. It's cool. I'm really loving these freaking artworks. These are nice. Way, way, way ahead of their time right now. And we got Vaporeon completing our evolution. And this lady, we don't know who it is. I heard the name the other day and I forgot it. I have no idea where she came from, who the hell she is. If someone wants to tell me who she is, just let me know. I appreciate it. Maybe she's from the games. I do not remember her. We got an old emblem fossil, Shelder, Jigglypuff, Reverse Tentacool, and a Raichu holographic, Cloyster, and a War Turtle. Nice. Are we gonna just get one full art, which is that Kangaskhan? That is the SR. Got a Voltorb, Execute, Geodude, oh, and an Ammonite. Art rare. That is nice. Oh, wow, we got ourselves a little double banger here. We got a Jinx EX. Very nice. And Kadabra. Welcome back, Kadabra, everybody. Finally making an appearance. If you know, you know. Can't believe some guy would actually sue somebody over a children's game. Not like they forcefully did it. You got a Horsey, Vulpix, you got a Drowsy, you got Coughing Reverse, Aerodactyl holographic. Nice. Put the holo over there. I believe this comes with 20 packs. If I'm not correct. Correct me if I'm wrong. Bulbasaur, Tentacool, Kakuna. Oh, we got ourselves a Caterpie artwork. That is a nice Caterpie. Eating right through the leaves. I don't know if you guys can hear the ice cream man passing by. And we got ourselves a Kabutops holographic, Drowsy, and a Primate. Alright. There you go. It's right in front of my house now. We got a Ponyta, Ekans, Cubone. We got this belt, I believe. I don't know. Albedro holographic, and there's Erica. We are looking for you, Erica, in a secret rare form. That card is lovely. Oh my god, how much I hate these packs. Starmie, Growlithe, Reverse Magikarp, into a Machamp holographic, Muck, and a Persian. Oh, that's right. There's also a Giovanni artwork. Very nice artwork on that guy. Come on. Come on. Alright, Porygon. Haven't seen this guy in a while. Vulpix. Magmar. Drowsy. Drowsy. Now, this is another artwork for Drowsy. On a... Oh, we got a holographic Gengar. That is a nice artwork on Gengar. And the illustration is by Tomokazu Komiya. That is really nice artwork on that one. I like that. And a Nidorina. Let's see. Can we get ourselves another speaker right here? Come on, bless us. Come on. Reverse Poliwhirl and a Ditto holographic. Look at them right there. Venomoth, Poliwhirl. I think we're down to our last 4 packs here. Let's hope for the best. Wish for the best. Expect the best. Kakuna. Oh, Reverse Charmander. Nice. That is a lovely one. That is nice. And Mr. Mime. Holographic. What are these goggles? Alright. I think that's the best opening so far on that one. Tangela. There's a reverse. This artwork is nice though. Poliwhirl. And a Dodrio holographic. Nidorino this time. Yeah, down to our last 2. Let's see what we get. Weedle, Charmander, Squirtle, not Goldeen. Why am I Goldeen reverse? Why did I think it's gonna brain fart? Ammonite holographic, Graveler, and a Street. I don't know, it's like a take a hike, sir. I think this might be the way to open it. I don't know. Weedle again. Zubat. Weeping Bell. We got a Pidgeot. Reverse. And a Kangaskhan EX to end the box. Alright. Haunter and Dugtrio. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked it. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you guys want to see any more vintage opening, I did get these booster packs as well. Give me a vote. Let me know which pack you guys want me to open. Quick story on these two. They both weigh exact the same, 20.95. Now, it's considered a light pack. I did see a video where somebody weighed his booster box. I know it depends on what the booster box came out with. So anyway, that guy's packs were way below, I guess the weight level of how it's supposed to be of a light pack. His heavies were 20.95, 20.94, which gets me wondering, are these heavy or are they lightweight? So I kind of want to experiment on one of these two. People say Venusaur pack, open that, keep the Charizard sealed. But if you guys want to see some Diamond and Pearl Secret Wonders, EX, Ruby Sapphire, or this Team Magma, Team Aqua card, e-readers, let me know. See you guys later. Thank you.